outlet and I'm absolutely obsessed. It is so nice and keeps my home really neat and organized. You have this really unique design right here where you could easily retract out the cord, and it's pretty lengthy as well. And the thing I love about this the most is that it's super easy to retract. All you do is twist it like so, and it easily goes away. There's no fuss with the cords, and it keeps everything really nice and organized, because I, for one, absolutely hate when I have a lot of cords everywhere. It stresses me out, and this keeps things neat. You also have 4 AC outlets on the top, as well as 2 USBs and 1 Type-C. So you're gonna be able to charge a lot of different products with this item. Love it as well.